Tired of digging through emails to find that design link for your Jira task? Here is how to add a web link in 30 seconds. No more switching tabs, no more scrolling through chat history. You can keep everything your team needs right inside the task itself. So here's the plan. We will open your Jira account, navigate to the right task, and use that panel on the right side to add the link with a custom label. It's really straightforward once you know where to look. All right, start by logging into your Jira instance. Just head to your usual URL and sign in. This is the same place you go to every day to manage your work, so nothing fancy here. Once you are in, you will see your main dashboard. Now, from the left sidebar, select the project that contains your task. This is the project you are currently working on, whether it is a software project, a marketing campaign, or anything else. Just click on the project name and it will open up. Now, click the specific task you want to link to. This could be a bug, a user story, a task, whatever you are working on. Find it in the backlog or on the board and click on it. The task detail view will open up on the right side of your screen. And here is the part that trips people up. Look for the small plus icon on the right side panel. I mean, really look for it. It is tiny. It sits in that right side panel just below the task title and above the comments section. It is a little plus sign in a circle. Click on that. From the drop-down that appears, select Add Web Link. It is usually one of the first options in that menu. I have tested this on a few different Jira versions, and it is almost always right there. So go ahead and click it. Now, paste or type the URL you want to link. This could be a Figma mockup, a Google Doc, a Confluence page, even a screenshot hosted somewhere. Just grab that link from your browser and drop it into the URL field. And here is a quick tip. Make sure the full URL is there, including the HTTPS part. Jira is pretty forgiving, but it helps to have the complete address. Give the link a descriptive name so your team knows what it is. Do not just leave it as the raw URL. Type something like Design Mockup v3 or Client Feedback Doc. That way, when someone looks at the task later, they know exactly what they are clicking on. It keeps everything organized and saves everyone time. Finally, click the link button to save. And just like that, your web link is attached to the task. You will see it appear in that right side panel under the links section. Anyone who opens this task can now click that link and go straight to the resource. And that is it. You have gone from struggling to attach external references to quickly adding clickable web links that keep all related resources in one place. No more digging through emails, no more saying, "I sent that link last week." It is all right there in the task. Thanks for watching.